Hello everyone, my name is Ling Minghui. For today's video, we're going to be talking about dwarf planets. So first, what is dwarf planets? Dwarf planets is round, is just like planets. It's round, it has its own mass and has its own gravity. But one thing special about it is that it does not maintain and it can't cleared their orbit. So they haven't cleared their orbit yet. So that's why they are dwarf planets. So in our planet, these days there are already 5 dwarf planets that you guys could see, and that are not really that big, but still they have lots of interesting things and lots of interesting names. So first we have is Pluto. So Pluto was once considered as the 9th planet in the solar system, but due to people observations in 2006, people have reclassified it into the dwarf planets. So that's pretty sad, right? So this was once a planet in our solar system actually, and it's in the Kuiper belt, which is even out of the Neptune. So it's way out of the planet belt. Moving on, we have is Eris, dwarf planet. So this dwarf planet is the biggest planet. It's way much more bigger than Pluto. Yeah, for sure it is. Moving on, we have is Ceres. Well, Ceres is in between Mars and Jupiter's. And moving on, we have is Makemake. Well, Makemake is a really interesting planet. It has a red hue of it and it looks super cool. And our last planet is Haumea, which is really interesting because it has a shape of an oval. Yeah, so it has the shape of an oval, just like an egg, not round like these. So these dwarf planets, why do they call dwarf planets? They still have the characteristic of these planets that we have. Just like they have shapes, yeah, they have gravity, they have the mass, they have their own gravity, and Pluto, it has moon. All these planets have moons. Pluto has 1 or 2 moons, I don't remember, but still they have moons just like our Earth. So they're still just like our planet. But the important characteristic here is that they haven't cleared their orbit. So that's why they're considered as a dwarf planets. Currently, right now, scientists have just discovered about these 5 planets. But what I have to tell you guys is that in the future, scientists are on their way to finding lots more dwarf planets, and estimated there will be more, that there are going to be about 12 dwarf planets that they're going to find. So why don't we just wait in the future and see what could scientists even brings us? What fantasy that we now have in this world that could be real in the future? We don't know yet, but I believe it will be really rewarding for us to know. So that's all for today's video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.